Surrounding our planet is a powerful, dynamic, invisible force. Without it, life on Earth as we know it would not be possible. It is our protective blanket that shields us from the constant bombardment of space weather. This is the magnetosphere, an immense magnetic field that is generated deep within the Earth's interior at its core. It extends out into space, creating a strong protective shield against things such as charged particles zipping out of the sun, called the solar wind. And without this powerful magnetic field, Earth would likely be a barren, cold, dry world. Our red neighbour, Mars, is a good example of what happens when a planet similar to Earth loses its global magnetic field. Our magnetic field is largely generated by an ocean of superheated, swirling liquid iron that makes up the outer core of Earth around 1,800 miles beneath our feet, which is around 2,900 kilometers beneath our feet. Despite being essential to life as we know it, the magnetic field isn't something we can actually see or hear in itself. But we can see its effects on the Earth's atmosphere in the form of the stunning visual display called the Aurora Borealis, or the Aurora Australis. And now we can also hear it. Researchers from the Technical University of Denmark took the magnetic signals, the radio frequencies measured by the European Space Agency's Swarm satellite mission, and converted them into sound. The result is an eerie representation of our planet's rumbling magnetic field and its interaction with a solar storm. The audio clip you're about to experience might sound like the stuff of nightmares, but sit back, relax, and listen to the strange creaking, crackling, and rumbling of our planet's protective shield. This is the sound of the Earth's magnetic field. What a bizarre sound. If you want to find out more about how they created this audio clip, then click on the link I've placed in the description. If you enjoyed the video, then why not tap the like button and subscribe and check out some of my other videos. There are plenty to do with the weird and wonderful sounds of space. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.